Heather Block's life has been an adventure. She's helped with elections in Kosovo and Azerbaijan and assisted the Drug Enforcement Agency in Colombia.
I ended up working on elections in Iraq and counter-narcotics in Afghanistan and anti-corruption work in Afghanistan.
And now, after a lifetime of helping others work through challenges in some of the world's most dangerous places, Block is facing what will likely be the final challenge of her life: breast cancer.
When you lead a life that's a little different than your average person, you do expect that that's probably how you're going to end up dying. So little did I know that the doctors have said that statistically, women with metastatic breast cancer have a 20% chance of living 5 years.
With her cancer diagnosis, Block can no longer work, making her eligible for Medicare, which covers 80% of her medical expenses. But she's been unable to get supplemental insurance to cover the remaining 20%, which might not sound like a lot, but really adds up for cancer patients.
I have had part of my liver removed, and that bill was several $100,000. So 20% of that, on with my regular medications that I'm on a regular basis and seeing oncologists and getting CAT scans, it is beyond the reach of any middle-class person that I know.
Block has taken her plight to the General Assembly for help, and she has a key ally in her effort to convince lawmakers in State House Speaker Pete Schwarzkopf. Block helped run his first campaign for State House in 2002.
She has seen more things than you and I ever want to see. I will tell you that. She has had a lifetime. She's crammed a lifetime into a short lifespan, but you know, she has seen a lot of things. Some things we'll never see. And she's done a lot to reach out to a lot of kids. A lot of kids, a lot of women in foreign countries. And that's who she is.
22 states require insurers to offer this supplemental Medigap coverage Block is looking for, but Delaware isn't one of them.
I want to buy my policy and pay for it myself in order to continue to have health coverage. Unfortunately, the way that the system works in Delaware is they can offer you a policy, but they don't have to, and the premiums can be exorbitant.
She's been meeting with lawmakers in hopes of getting a bill passed this year to require coverage with manageable premiums. And while having a friend in the Speaker's chair helps, it's no guarantee something will get done.
Everybody I know that she's talked to understands her plight and understands her issue and wants to help. We're just waiting right now for language to come from the insurance commissioner, so we'll see what happens there.
Her ultimate goal? Get coverage so she can stay in her home, avoid bankruptcy, and fight cancer with dignity.
I am very optimistic, but I was called numerous names throughout my career, and one of them is a bulldozer. The idea is I need to make this happen. I have to do this while I feel healthy enough to do it. This is the session. This is all I've got.
Her final fight is on the home front here, so yeah. If there's anything we can do to help, I would like to try to do it. Not just for her, but for anybody else that's in that situation.